All right, quite the exciting day here. We finally brought home, maybe not finally, but yeah, we brought home the latest member of the family, and it is this basically brand new 2021 F-150. It is very sharp, very nice. It does have a few things that affect it and make it so it was possible for me to get. So yeah, it's 2021, quite sharp, but it is very sharp on the backside because it was in some sort of a wreck. And so it is all twisted and pretty messy back here. So that's why it was cheap enough for me to get. It's, yeah, a bit on the rough side, but really, I think a pretty sweet deal. Only has 1,500 miles on it, and I mean, I drove it home from Rapid City today. I was going nice and slow, so nothing fell off or anything like that, but it doesn't look great, but I'll clean it up. But yeah, 1,500 miles, and I will redo the bed and do it in my own style, replace the back window, put door panels back on and everything. But yeah, it's quite sharp. It does need a little work on the doors, but that's okay. That's something I can handle, I think, hopefully. But man, it is a very nice truck, pretty sweet. I have lots of dreams and ideas and plans of what's going to happen with it, so it's going to be fun. So follow along and you'll get to see all that. Good job, buddy. That's so good. It's like textbook. Hanging out in the back of the truck. Got no bed back there. Ruben, what do you think? Do you approve? Do you think we should not have a back seat back here so you can have so much space to play? I think that'd be pretty cool, huh? I think you would agree. So that makes it 2-1. What would Denali think, though? Should she be on Mom's side?
It's not a matter of sides, it's a matter of practicality.
I know. But if we could do it in a way that it'd be easy to take in and out. Hello? Hey. Hey. Yeah. Good job. And then spin. There you go. Yeah. That one doesn't quite go there. Good job though. Alright, update. Working on the truck. Got my little helper here. And so yeah, we've got the back of the truck here. It's kind of working as a workbench right now. Have the cab part, the one part sealed up. Still got to do the corner. Almost done with the window. Need to put the middle slide in the window, and then otherwise the interior is all buttoned up and back to the way it should be. Seats are bolted in. Looks really good. It's basically brand new. Kind of a bummer though, missing the trim piece here that holds the switch in place and this corner trim piece. So gotta find something at some point, but otherwise, yeah, it looks really good. I was able to pop out some of the dents in the doors, use the inflating a basketball trick, but yeah, still have a bit to do on this corner. But today working on the bed, because once I get the bed on and done, then I could at least put a license plate on, have taillights, make it drivable. But until then, I can't, and so I need to figure out something with the bed here. And so my plan is, like what I've got going on here, putting in this 2x2 steel tubing, bolting it, welding it to the aluminum, which it is aluminum doing steel, so be a little interesting. Probably do a combination of bolting, welding, and JB welding. And then I'll put in a couple small supports in these ones, and then another big 2x2. So these will probably be like 1x1s, and then have a cross piece there to tie in, so then I can build the side of the bed there, because otherwise that'll make the complete bed, because 2/3 of it is really, really nice. Like the whole driver's side is in prime condition. The base of the bed is really good shape. Just need to clean up the wheel well a bit. Probably reuse most of it. Just clean it up and have some square tubing framed around it to hold it all together. So yeah, that's kind of our update for today. So working on the bed and bolting on the steel tubing. So yeah.
Here we find a wild Isaac, his natural habitat, working with just one little light bulb to illuminate his two little light bulbs to illuminate his workspace. Let's zoom in. Looks nice, Boo. Wow.
That's right.
Higher?
Yeah, this side. I think we got higher. Alright, watch out. In this. You like helping Dada on the pickup? Working on the back window. Trying to get some stuff done. Alright, got the wheel well all buttoned up. Working on the wheel well of the pickup here. Got it screwed into my framing material. Come back and fill those gaps. But next is to take this big piece of rubber that was a mud flap on a truck out of Rapid City, found it along the highway, and make my own that'll fit in there. So cut it to size, bolt it on. Should be pretty cool. Alright, gonna put this ammo box right up here. Just gotta make a bracket for it up there, make it fit down here. You can still get at the latch. got the box on. Can unhook it there, open it up, check it out. Nice and tight. Got my helper. Hey buddy, you helping clean the truck?